Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM MK46. It's got an upgraded EagleSix power spring. Oh, let me show you. Oh, this one, crikey. Obviously, lovely guns. We're obviously trying hard to support these, so that obviously customers have the confidence in them. And you know, we obviously would love if some other manufacturers out there like FPS and Prometheus start supporting these with parts. But until then, obviously we're trying our best to support it with our own bits. So we've got an EagleSix upgraded power spring. We've got the Psionic AEP hot rubber. We've got the bearings. We've got the Warhead motor, and we've got the EagleSix nub in there. Sorry. And we've got sorry, the Warhead motor is the high-speed one, and obviously the sort of main upgrade being obviously that the bearings have been replaced so that they can't sort of wear over time. The only thing we're sort of missing that we would really like to replace is we'd like some sort of hard anti-reverse latch, but like I say, hopefully that comes in the future. Yeah, it's a great gun, and obviously you should get lots and lots of use out of it, and we're just going to demonstrate it working. There you go. So all tested. Obviously they have quite a hard kick on these, so keep an eye on things obviously like bolts and stuff, maybe like the screws on the bottom of the bipod, or make sure that these screws in the back here remain tight, make sure that these ones remain tight. You know, you only have to check them like once a month or something, just to make sure that they're sort of not winding themselves out. Worst comes to worst, we always recommend, if you're at all worried about Mark 46, to get them in for regular servicing. I'd have to say they probably, just because of the amount of use that most customers are reporting, with some customers saying that they're doing hundreds of thousands of rounds with these, that we probably recommend higher service intervals, but only you can decide obviously on the usage and how many rounds that you put through them. So obviously when people are doing hundreds of thousands of rounds, you sort of can't blame them for breaking at that point. So but they definitely seem to promote holding down the trigger on this gun. So but yeah, but we hope you enjoy it. Obviously it's a beautiful replica. You know, we consistently sell these, you know, despite the price. It's I think it's because TM has just done such a good job, you know, and we hope you enjoy it. Any problems, let us know. The build specification will be in the description for the video. Thank you.